we are going to share with you the best deals on brands like Craftsman, Cobalt, DeWALT, Flex. I'm gonna tell you right now, there are a few that have already caught my eyeballs. Right in this area, you are gonna find a tremendous amount of savings. You can see we have our Impacts hammer drills and combo kits. We have this 2-tool combo kit, was $329. This is their 20-volt brushless hammer drill and 840 impact driver. This is coming with a 2-pack of 1.7 amp hour Powerstack battery packs. Some of the newest battery technology out of DeWALT. You're getting a charger, you're getting a bag. What's $329 is at $269.07 right now. As we move on down, we have that 1/2-inch hammer drill with a 2 amp hour battery pack at $159. Listen, if you needed a cheap hammer drill, okay, this was $189, it's at $159. Do I love it? No, I don't love this. I do love this one though. This is the XR Compact Drill Driver Kit. This is not a hammer drill, but it is their top of the line XR Compact drill driver kit. Was $239, it is marked down to $189. This one's coming with that Powerstack battery pack, a 2 amp hour battery charger bag. I like that one a lot. And then if you wanted the Brutus Beefcake, they have their XR 3-speed high torque 1/4-inch impact driver. Was $219, is $179. They do have their Flex Torque right angle drill attachment at $25.47. Limited time deal, free DeWALT 12-volt max 5 amp hour battery with purchase of select tools. So you can see here, it's 814 to 11.5. You can see here the Extreme bandsaw tool only is marked down from $179 to $116.37. The 9/16 SDS Plus rotary hammer tool only is at $143.17 from $179. All right, so here are some Flex deals right now. Flex has pretty much added an entire line of nailers and staplers to their platform, their 24-volt platform. Okay, you can see here they have 15 gauge, 16 gauge finish nailers, brad nailers, narrow crown staplers, 3/8 staplers. They got one of my favorites, the pin nailer. Rigid Ron will attest to that. He loves it as well. And then they have a 21 and 30 degree framing nailers. You can see when you buy the finish nailers, you're gonna get a battery starter kit, 2.5 amp hour battery starter kit and charger. If you get the framing nailers, they're giving you a free 3.5 amp hour stacked lithium battery kit, starter kit. I'm telling you right now, go and pick this up if you're on the platform. I don't care if you need an impact wrench or not. Go and pick these up at $199. This is the high torque, previous generation high torque impact wrench, coming with their 6 amp hour stacked lithium battery pack and a rapid charger, marked all the way down to $199 from $349. They have a couple of other discounts. They have the 2-tool kit, drill and impact driver at $211.62 from $249. It's coming 2 batteries, 2.5 amp hour batteries, their 160 watt fast charger bag and a bag, or they have their hammer drill kit and impact driver, 2.5 amp hour battery, 5 amp hour battery, fast charger bag, $269.62 on clearance. These are at $299. So these are the older cylindrical cell packs in these kits at $299. Hey, listen, here's the deal. If you wanted this impact, okay, and you wanted it at a discount, I gotta be honest with you, I would be asking them to match the price of the stacked lithium packed model that's here. Okay, but I gotta be honest with you, I can't believe this thing is still here. I can't believe it's not gone yet. They still have a couple of the tower lights. I like this because it's dual powered. The other thing about this that makes it very versatile, you don't need to necessarily use this on the tower at all times. You can push these 2 buttons in and then this will become self-supporting. Push that button, this will pop right off, and then you're able to pop a battery right on here. You can take this up into an attic, you can take it down into a crawl space, you can hang it up on the rafters. This will work independent of the tower. There are some deals on Spyder. You can see they have the 40-tooth 7 1/4 is at $12.98. They have the 60-tooth 7 1/4 is at $17.98. They have the 6.5-inch 24 teethuses at $10. And then we have a 12-inch 80-tooth blade at $49.98. A lot of bang for your buck there. I like that. Spyder's still running their spade bit, 6 pieces, okay, all the way up to 1 inch is at $8.98. They have their Recip saw blades at $24.98. It is a 14-piece pack. It's a combination. These are this is one thing from Spyder I have not tested yet. This is their Black Series bimetal reciprocating blade set. Comes with a little case. Anybody know anything about these blades? What do you think of them? $24.98, you're getting 14 pieces in this kit. You get a couple of 6s, a couple of 8s, and a 9, and 2 9s in here. Wood with nails, metal. Wood with nails, thin metal. What do you think of those? And then we have the 24 Tifuses Tarantula. For some reason, if you didn't get the notification on this, go and check it out here. We go over the blade. We go over that blade as well as their standard framing blade. A lot of you are talking about Metabo. You can see they have the 2.5 inch 16 gauge straight finish nailer. It was 179, it's at 129. These are of course are pneumatic. And the 18 gauge brad nailer, 2 inch. This one's a real steal at 69 bucks. Metabo used to be all up this aisle here. Not anymore. You get a free 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries, kits, or 18 volt charger and 4 amp hour battery when you purchase a select Bosch pneumatic nailer or stapler. I gotta tell you, not that many yellow tags today. Let's go take a look at Klein hand tools. So I feel like Klein is literally going to all out war with Milwaukee. Milwaukee Tool just announced a whole bunch of new Inkzals, and boom, we have in the center aisle here, all new felt tip pens from Klein. It's nuts. It's a lot of drama going on in the world of tools. All the Klein markers are taking over where Sharpie used to be. Whoa. There has been deep discounts on some of the automotive. Let's take a look. Look. Whoa, limited time deal. Free Cobalt 2 amp hour battery and a charger with purchase of select 24 volt tools. It looks like they've marked it down from $99 to $79. The brushless drill driver kit. Yo, $14.98. I like this a lot actually. This has that like aluminum scale Cobalt. I like it's highly visible. This is a good one. 5 days only right now to buy the additional 100 count of blades. There it is for $13.98. I like that actually. So they have some Cobalt deals here. Look at this bad boy. Half inch mid torque impact wrench. 5-year, 3-year warranty. 5-year tool, 3-year bat. Is at $129. Wow. It's coming 4 amp hour battery, charger, 150 watt rapid charger comes with this thing. If you're spinning the wrenches like I do, it's in my leisure, that would be a great impact wrench actually. Then they have a combo kit at $129. It's coming a single 2 amp hour battery, charger. We got the impact driver and a drill driver. They have a combo. Wow, this is a 40 volt max? Yeah, 40 volt max. $229, you're getting the leaf blower and a string trimmer on the 40 volt platform. Plenty of powers. And they have just the string trimmer, 40 volt max at $159. They have, I guess this is discounted because the package is ripped, but they were $14.98. They're now $10.49. The reason I'm looking at these 1/4 inch extensions is because I needed 1/4 inch extensions last week. Got some deals on black and gold, 1/2 inch drill bit in there, $14.98. Wow, this is like inexpensive. That's a good deal. The DeWALT version of this was in the $20 range. This is $5 cheaper. Here's the deal. That 1/2 inch drill bit alone, 20 bucks. Maybe not 20 bucks, maybe 15 bucks because it's black and gold, not titanium. Good deal though. Nice amount of Chanel locks here. They got the big boys, the 16.5s at $40.98. We got some Klein slip grooves. We have all kinds of different offerings from Klein's. I have to get off my wallet here. I've been dying for years to buy a self-adjusting wire stripper. It's only $24.48. What am I holding out for? I don't get it. I should just get it finally. I do love the selection of hammers. You have Estwing here, a full line of Estwing hammers. You have hammers from Klein in here, in addition to more affordable options from Craftsman and Cobalt. But the sheer amount of Estwing hammers is just, it's mind-numbing. So they have a string trimmer and leaf blower from SKIL. That's their 40 volt, 99 bucks. I will tell you on the end cap, there are some SKIL deals here. Homeowners and DIYers get a lot of bang for the buck with the SKIL line of tools for a lot of reasons. Some of the tools will run on both 12 and 20 volt. Here's the big one that I really like. All of the batteries have some type of USB type connectivity. So I think it's a really great feature, and it keeps you using that battery platform, which means it will be ready to go when you actually go to use it. Ego, 26 inch Hedge trimmers coming. This is coming, I believe it's a 4 amp hour, 2.5 amp hour charger. The Hedge trimmer is at $254 from $279. We got the 670 CFM cordless blowers at $259. That's coming 4 amp hour battery charger and the leaf blower at $259. For $259, we have the 16 inch Power Lowe string trimmer. Is that the carbon fiber? Oh, it is the carbon fiber shaft. Wow, Ego, deal. 1000 series, select cut. I've never heard it referred to as the 1000 series. So this is coming, their 10 amp hour battery, 75 minutes, 10.6 pound-feet of torques with a 22-inch deck. Plus, it's got the single lever height adjustment. It's pretty cool. It's at $899 though. Here's the deal with this. You're talking about a top-of-the-line battery-powered lawnmower. Let's call it what it is. If you compared it to Milwaukee, okay, you're talking about $1,200 or $1,100 for their mower that runs on, it's an 18-volt platform. In my opinion, it's woefully under voltaged and powered for what you're asking to do, okay? I'm not saying the cut quality is not there on the Milwaukee. I'm just saying it's just, you're trying to fit that square peg into a round hole with that. You can see here at $699 was $749. They have their select cut. This is the 800 series. It's a 7.5 amp hour battery, 60 minutes. You're getting that 7 pound-feet of torque. This is a 21-inch deck. It's for $649. This is coming 7.5 amp hour battery. You're getting 60 minutes of runtime, 6 pound-feet of torque, 21. This is a 21-inch deck. But here you go, 6 amp hours. You're getting 55 minutes of runtime, 6 pound-feet of torque, 21-inch deck. You can see you get the single handle adjustment. You got a bag with that. It's got 3-in-1. You get the mulch bag or side discharge, 320 watt charger, up to a ½ an acre of flat terrain. You get a 3-year battery warranty, 5-year limited tool warranty. It's $449. They do have the SS. These are the blue hose pots, $24.47. They were $29.98. What do we got? So we got combinations at $41.97. So they're calling that a 12-foot, the Immortal Nightwalker. So that's 12 foot, okay? That's at $449. I think it's pretty cool. I like the lantern in this hand. I like that it lights, the lantern lights. Oh, so he oscillates back and forth. Oh, I like that his lantern swings in his hand. That's pretty cool. I think that one's pretty cool. I think that the Scarecrow is pretty cool. I actually played him earlier.
I'm the creepiest thing you'll find in this field.
So he's at $349. Call me lame if you will, but look at it. We got the rave party. I love it. And then finally, so this blow up, I guess this is like maybe 18 or 20 foot blow up. This is $199. They're doing a lot more Disney stuff this year, and they always have done Disney, but I think that they have more like Disney themed. Like they have Disney, the Corpse Bride Sparkies here. This is Cousin Algerman. This is from the Haunted Mansion. These guys are from the Haunted Mansion. These are pretty cool. And then for Peanuts, you can see they have the Snoopy. They had the Mickey last week or whatever. We picked up Mickey, so that'll go out on the front lawn. The Snoopy's $59.98 for the blue mold. These are all, I kind of like Donald the Devil. So the Mickey Mouse Inflatables are $179. This thing is 9 foot wide though, 9.5 foot wide. So this, they have the blow up inflatable at $34.98. Yo, animated Mickey mummy. Nah, he's not scary enough. He just looks like a Mickey wrapped in toilet paper. I want to say a special thank you to each and every one of you, the very coolest community on all of the interwebs for everything that you do. All right, everybody, I appreciate all of you. Thank you to all the channel members. You all helped to make this possible. Let me know, we're getting the fall here. And a lot of you say, yes, I would love to have like TTR come back. But do you really? If we did do a tool test raw, what tools would you want to see tested first? I want to know. All right, everybody. I hope to see you all on this next video.